Hey guys, welcome to Online Money Goals. So today in this video I'll be talking about how to earn money by just playing games. Isn't that really cool? Earning more than $10,000 per month for just playing games. And also have in mind that playing games is not going to be an easy task. In this video I'll be covering around top 5 ways you can make money by just playing games. Before starting off with the video, I have to give an note like thing because I don't like making money by betting or doing some illegal gaming task or something like that. So I'm not going to promote those kind of apps or those kind of jobs. So now we'll start off the video, and number one is YouTube channel or Twitch. So streaming in YouTube is actually another next level way to make money online, because YouTube or Twitch both are going to be the same if you're going to stream it live and making money out of it. But Twitch, I would say that it would be rather easy for you, like it's specifically for gamers, so that you can make money easily in that platform. If you want, you can try Twitch or YouTube channel, whatever is like easy for you, you can try it out. Now, as you can see, these are all the live streams that happen in YouTube a lot, and so many people keep watching all the time. So many of these games are literally, get viewers easily when it is actually in live stream. Now, I currently play Among Us, and I really love. These are all my favorite gameplays that I ever watch. Now, and also one important thing to be noted is that you don't have to do like me, like you don't have to give voiceover, or you don't have to show your face or nothing. Like you are just going to stream your screen. Now it's screencast only. So I think that's another benefit to it. So, number two is game coach. So if you are actually excelling in playing that game, for example, say Among Us or Fortnite or League of Legends or whatever game it is, like if you know all the nook and corners and how to defeat, and if you know all of those tricks, then why don't you teach people about like all those tricks? So it's another job that you can do, which actually gets you an average of around $10,000 per week itself. It's a high paying job. Now before moving on, do subscribe to the channel and click on the bell notification so that you won't miss any update from our channel. Now, as we have said, now we'll move on with the third one, which is a game tester job. Please don't underestimate this job, because it's actually a high paying one, because average rate of payment is around $15,000, and in India there is around 180 jobs available easily online. But please, another misconception that people have is like having a game tester job will be really easy, but it is actually not, because you have to it is a tedious job. It takes around more than 8 to 9 hours of playing a game continuously in all the roles possible. Say for example, in Among Us you have to play in all the three maps, and also as an imposter and also as a crewmate. So something like that, you have to keep playing and playing, find out all the nooks and corners of the game in order to test the job correctly. So these are all the screenshots of Indeed, Naukri and LinkedIn, where you can find around 800, 150 or something around jobs. Like here, as you can see, 182 jobs are available. So it's actually a high pay job that you can try out. And number four is affiliate marketing. Once you have actually established a good YouTube channel, doing a lot of live streams, uploading a lot of videos related to gaming, you can actually sell products that you really love. The gaming consoles or the accessories related to these gaming things will be really loved by people, because they want to know before buying those costly products. So if you are actually using it, you can review those products. You can give them a backlink to the Amazon or whatever like sponsors you are getting in. So by that you'll be getting commissions for selling the products. Now number five is gaming merch. Now this will be a side stream for your whatever business you're starting off with gaming. If you are a game coach or if you are a gamer in YouTube or Twitch, you can start off this very easily, because you can actually integrate all those merches in YouTube below your channel name itself. So you can sell products like t-shirts or accessories or chain, caps, everything like related to your brand, or like a symbol regarding like which represents your brand. Actually, that will be really nice if you do. Now these are all the topics that I think will be really nice, and I actually love a lot, because it's a high paying job that you can do by playing games. Because I have seen people who have those gaming consoles, costly accessories for games, but just do it for entertainment. Why don't you monetize it? Like playing game and at the same time it's going to pay you. Now, as I have said earlier, I'm not encouraging you guys to play apps like MPL or Dream 11 or whatever it is. I don't like those betting games because it might be legit. Like it can pay you. Like it will be around 50 rupees or something. I have really experienced it, and I have seen people who have betted and who have lost all those money that they have actually had. So I don't encourage all those things. So it's up to you. And if you have any doubts, do comment it below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And also, if you have any suggestions or queries, you can drop it down in the comments below. I will answer it as soon as possible. And if you like these kind of videos, you can also drop that down in the comments below, so that I will make a lot of videos on these related topics. Share it with your friends. We'll meet you in the next video. Until then, bye and thank you.